How to use Quicken with a Mac. In this video, I'll show you a sneak peek about using Quicken via your Mac operating system. Now, first of all, Quicken is actually a cloud-based web and mobile personal finance app, and Quicken Simplify is the best personal finance app for productive budgeting and proactive money management, helping users stay ahead of expenses, investments, saving goals, retirement, the real-time cash flow insights, and Quicken knows what's next. Before that, Quicken is not only for Mac. It has a lot of options, like from the application on your mobile device, and as well as for Windows. If you're going to be using this via your Mac, then all you have to do is to use on Quicken Mac. Now from here, you just need to scroll down, and then you should be able to see all these features this Quicken is offering you from your Mac OS. So you can see your banking accounts in one place, track and organize your spending, know if you're saving enough, customize anything and everything. And then all you have to do to get started is to use this Quicken Deluxe or just simply use the regular Quicken for Mac. And that's basically it. That's how you use Quicken for Mac.